Example number 9, continuous beam using Titanic method. So, ang mga required sa problem na ito, reactions at A, B, and C, moment at B, and rotations at A, B, and C. Ang una na muna natin gawin ay mag-assume ng elastic curve. Ito na yung elastic curve at ito yung points A, B, and C. The next is tayo ay mag-cut sa B, then choose left. So B to A, the direction is left. So the load from B to A is uniformly distributed load, and the formula for 6AA over L for uniformly distributed load is WL cubed over 4. Then substitute the data. W is 30. The length is the distance from B to A, so 8, then cube over 4. So the value of 6A over L is equal to 3,840. Then applicable is formula for theta left. So ito na yung formula for theta left, and then substitute the data. So theta is theta B. The moment there is the moment at B, which is unknown. The length is the distance from B to A, 8 over 3E. The inertia for the segment B to A is 2I. Then plus, the moment far is moment at A, 0. The length is 8 over 6E. Inertia is 2I. Then plus 6AA over L, 3,840 over 6E, inertia is 2I, then minus H over L. So for H, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from B to A, at yung horizontal line ay tumama kay A, so that H is 0. Then simplify the equation. So theta B is equal to 4MB over 3EI plus 320 over EI. Tawagin natin siyang equation 1. Next, cut at B, then choose right. So B to C. So the direction is right. And the load from B to C is concentrated load. So the formula for 6AB over L for concentrated load is PB over L, L square minus B square. So the load P is 45. The distance B is 4 over L is the length or the distance from B to C, so 6, then times L square minus B square. So the value of 6AB over L is 600. Then applicable is formula for theta right. So ito na yung formula for theta right, then substitute the data. So theta is theta B equal to negative. Moment near is the moment at B, which is unknown. The length is the distance from B to C, 6 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at C, 0. The length is 6 over 6EI, plus 6AB over L is 600, then over 6EI minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C, at yung horizontal line is tumama sa C, so that H is 0. Then simplify the equation. Theta B is equal to negative 2MB over EI minus 100 over EI. Tawagin nating equation 2. Ito na yung dalawang equations na na-derive natin, at dalawa yung unknowns, theta B and MB. So applying knowledge natin sa system of equations, then masosolve na natin yung dalawang unknowns. So that MB and theta B are equal to negative 126 for MB, and for theta B is positive 152 over EI. Negative moment means the direction is downward, and positive theta B means the direction for theta is counterclockwise. Ngayong meron na tayong MB and theta B, then ang next na isosolve natin ay theta A and theta C. To solve for theta A, we cut at A, then choose right. So A to B. So the direction is right. The load from A to B is uniform load, and the formula for 6AB over L is WL cube over 4. W is 30. L is the distance from A to B, so 8, and then cube over 4. So the value of 6AB over L is 3,840. And applicable is formula for theta right. Ito na yung formula for theta right. Then substitute the data. So theta is theta A equal to negative. Moment near is the moment at A, 0. The length is the distance from A to B, 8, over 3E. Inertia is 2I. Plus moment far is the moment at B, negative 126. The length is 8 over 6E. Inertia is 2I. Plus 6AB over L, 3,840 over 6E. Inertia is 2I minus H over L. So for H, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from A to B, at yung horizontal line ay tumama kay B, so that H is 0. So theta A is equal to negative 236 over EI. Negative means clockwise. For theta C, we cut at C, then choose left. So C to B, the direction is left. So the load from C to B is concentrated load, and the formula for 6AA over L is PA over L times L square minus A square. So P is 45. The distance A is 2. Then over the length is the distance from C to B, 6. Then times L square minus A square. So the value of 6AA over L is 480. And applicable is formula for theta left. Ito na yung formula for theta left. Then substitute the data. Theta is theta C equals moment near is the moment at C, 0. The length is the distance from C to B, 6, over 3EI. Plus moment far is the moment at B, negative 126. The length is 6 over 6EI plus 6AA over L is 480 over 6EI minus H over L. So for H, so tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from C to B, and tumama yung horizontal line kay B, so that H is 0. Then theta C is equal to negative 46 over EI. Negative means clockwise. Next, solve for the reactions. So mag-assume na muna tayo ng mga directions. So assume natin positive yung mga reactions. So lahat sila ay upward. Then we cut at B, and then moment left equals moment right. So at point B, moment left is AY is positive kasi upward. So the moment is positive AY times 8. The uniform load is downward, so the moment is negative. The load is 30 times 8. The lever arm is 4. So ito yung moment left of B. Then equal siya sa moment right of B. So CY is upward, so the moment is positive. CY times 6. The concentrated load is downward, so the moment is negative. 45 times 2. So ito yung moment left of B equals moment right of B, then equal to the moment at B, which is negative 126. So dito masosolve natin si AY tsaka CY. So AY is positive 104.25, so meaning the assumption is correct, upward. And CY is negative 6, so meaning yung assumption natin na upward is wrong. So ang correct direction pala ni CY ay pababa. So dahil mali yung assumption natin para sa reaction at C, so kinorek na natin, ginawa na nating pababa. Then to solve for the reaction at B, say tayo ay mag-cut at A, then apply moment. So at point A, moment left equals moment right, and moment left of A is 0 equal to, so moment right of A, so due to By upward, the moment is positive, By times 8. Due to Cy downward, the moment is negative, Cy is 6, and the lever arm is 8 plus 6, so 14. Due to the distributed load pababa, the moment is negative, the load is 30 times 8, and the lever arm is 4. And due to the concentrated load pababa, the moment is negative, 45, and the lever arm is 8 plus 2, so 10. So the reaction at B is equal to positive 186.75. So positive means the assumption upward is correct. Then i-check natin kung tama by applying vertical equilibrium. So AY is upward, positive 104.25. BY is upward, positive 186.75. CY is downward, minus 6. The distributed load is downward, so minus 30 times 8. The concentrated load is downward, minus 45. Then dapat equal to 0. Okay, yes, nag-equal sa 0. So, tama yung mga reactions. Interpret natin yung results. So, nag-assume tayo ng elastic curve kanina at ganito yung assumption natin. At kung tayo ay gagawa ng tangent line at C, the rotation is counterclockwise. At itong counterclockwise na to ay hindi tugma doon sa sagot natin kanina na clockwise. So since theta C is na-compute natin clockwise at hindi siya tumugma doon sa geometry which is counter, so ibig sabihin mali yung geometry. So mali yung assumption natin ng elastic curve. So ito na ngayon yung elastic curve based from the results. So ito na siya. Then at point A, tayo ay gagawa ng tangent line. At ito ngayon yung theta A, which is clockwise, at tugma siya dun sa result natin kanina na clockwise. Then at point B, gawa tayo ng tangent line, and the rotation is counterclockwise, at nagtugma sa sagot natin counterclockwise. Then at C, gawa tayo ng tangent line, and the rotation is clockwise, at nagtugma siya dun sa sagot natin na clockwise.